Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sew a sleeve placket, just like what you see on your screen. So right now what we'll be needing is 6 inches by 1.5 and 7 inches by 4 inches. So that being said, we get right into the dressing. So right now you fold about 0.6 on this side, and then you fold the remaining piece on the other side. One is bigger than one. Then we'll fold the smaller side towards the other side, still leaving a little allowance, so the back will be bigger than the front with a little allowance. So right now we'll take out 1.5 inch from the back piece, which is the bigger one. I will trim out this allowance. We also trim the front a bit. So this is what it looks like. Then we'll put a hemming gum to it. Don't worry, I'll show you after I'm done dressing, so you can see, you can have a closer view. So fold the edges. I will also do the same thing to the smaller piece, which is just folding the two sides to the center and leaving a little allowance on the back side. So this is what it looks like, and right here we'll be stitching it immediately to the sleeve. I cut this by 5.5 inch. That's the space where your placket will enter. So this is the small one. Remember, it's the same dressing pattern. Then we insert it into the sleeve. So right now you top stitch just like this on the smaller side of the sleeve, please. The small one for the small side, the big one for the big sleeve, for the big side. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead to ask me in the comment section, and I will reply you immediately. So on this part, you just slot it in and you stitch. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to do so. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, because I learned that more than 80% of my viewers have not subscribed to this channel. So guys, please, I'm creating content for you and you're not helping me to grow. I would like you to subscribe, please guys. Please subscribe guys. That's the only way you can thank me for the efforts I'm doing to make these videos, the efforts I'm putting in. Sometimes I leave my customers' clothes and try to create content for you guys. So please, you have to appreciate by subscribing. Thank you so much. So right now we'll be printing on the side, on the sleeve. You pick it at the center and fold it 1 inch. 1 inch will be the fold. You pick it at the center and fold it by 1 inch. So this is the second sleeve placket. You slot it also like the first one. Slot it in, and then we stitch. So guys, you can see that it's very simple. It's as simple as ABC. Even a beginner following these steps are. So this first placket. So make sure you follow steps step by step. You follow it meticulously. All the videos on this channel are all simple and precise, all beginner friendly. So I'll advise you to take your time to watch as many as you can, learn as many as you can. Learning never stops, learning never ends. Keep learning, upgrade your skills. And I have a series on this senator wear and how I made this senator wear from scratch, from the cutting process to the sewing process. Everything was recorded, so I would like you to pay attention to them and watch them one by one. So this one has been completed. Is the same printing I told you. 1 inch will be the print, and you pick it up from the center. This will be very useful when we are joining the cuffs